Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to build a compact and super handy mini heating device that's specially designed for indoor use. It's a simple yet really useful project. So let's jump in and check out the full build process. To initiate the process, we will utilize a cooling fan, dismantle all of its blades, and then integrate permanent magnets to fabricate a custom rotor. Subsequently, we will deploy copper tubing to fabricate the heat exchanger component for the unit. Following this, we will integrate the fin and tube heat exchanger, which will serve as the core component for generating warmth in the heater unit. Next, we will proceed to mount the fin and tube heat exchanger onto the wooden base panel to secure the structure. Subsequently, we will proceed to mount the custom rotor assembly onto the wooden panel, positioning it directly opposite the fin and tube heat exchanger. Subsequently, we will proceed to connect the copper tubing to the fin and tube heat exchanger to complete the thermal circuit. Following that, we will integrate 2 cooling fans to enhance the thermal dissipation efficiency of the fin and tube heat exchanger. Thereafter, we will proceed to wire and finalize the electrical circuit to power the entire heater unit. With the wiring complete, we will add cooking oil or thermal grease oil to the system, with the purpose of boosting heat transfer efficiency and maintaining stable temperature for the unit. Finally, following all our fabrication efforts, I invite you to join me as we activate and witness the device's operational capabilities in a real-world setting. That wraps up today's product. Thank you for watching the whole video. If you enjoyed it, please give us a like and subscribe. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to turn on notifications so you won't miss our latest videos.